good, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. It's a nighttime vlog with Shawn. We're about to sand down this cage.
I'm not a special guest no more. I'm just hitting. It's an extension cord.
Hopefully this thing doesn't fall down on us.
Good night.
After about 3 hours, we have a close to finished product.
Well, this is not close to finish. This is just the goal we wanted for today.
Yeah.
Clean this shit. I'll clean the legs by myself, but
Nobody's gonna
next
see
time
the
we
legs,
back
bro.
is primer, paint, all that.
Same color?
Absolutely. Unless you want the Knicks orange and blue.
Orange
Can't have
and blue?
niggas calling my car. Knicks car.
It is day 2. We're out here in the brick. We're about to paint the cage. Bro's eyes green, nose green.
Man.
Cage all green. let me get the close up. How many more coats you thinking?
Huh?
How many more coats?
I don't know. Honestly, I'm not even done with the first coat. This shit takes up mad cans. But we're almost there though.
The fronts look more green than the back.
I was focusing on like finishing up one area.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see if I can finish the back and then go for the inside.
Exactly the same.
It is day 3 and the cage is finally painted. All coats, and it is also clear coat as well. So we're waiting for it to dry and then we're gonna put it in the car. But while we're here, I'm going to bleed my coolant because I barely get heat. So we're just gonna keep adding coolant until we get some heat. So yeah. So after about like 30 minutes, the car is finally bled. Took forever. Basically, I jacked the car up so all of the coolant would come to this side because we're trying to focus on this hose right here. Once this hose is warm, like not even warm, I would say just hot. Once this hose is hot, you should start getting heat inside the car. I did get heat inside the car, so we're all good with that. I'm about to lower the jack, clean up my mess. And we should be good with that. Still waiting on the cage to dry, so we're just gonna be chilling until the cage dries, I guess. The cage is finally going in the car. I'm about to put you guys in a time lapse. So we basically have the cage in, but we are about to line it up, cut the carpet. We're not gonna cut it too much. We're probably just gonna like slit down here on both sides. So like it'll just like slide between here. And then we should be good after that. Cage is almost 100% in. It is day 3. We're back out here. Shawn is taking the wheel off right now.
Wheels.
The 2 wheels in the rear, because you gotta get room to bolt up the bolts. He could jack it up and just have the thing,
no,
the
we
wheels
got
hanging.
tight suspension. My shit don't droop.
So we just gotta
I
cut
don't
the
know where my
carpet
wheel lock is.
and catch some bolts. It's in the trunk. So we're gonna catch the bolts, tighten everything down, then cut the carpet just so it's seated, and then it should be good.
Where the fuck did they come up with this shit? You're the beard.
What is that blue
The
thing?
beard.
What?
Beard.
What is the blue thing?
Oh, it's a little paper gasket. I got a lot of water coming into the car, so hopefully this will help. But I came up with an idea last night.
What's your
And
idea?
it's the simplest solution. Just put seam sealer, bro. Just put seam sealer on the outside and you're good. But I'm putting this because I don't want metal on metal, so I'll help with the noise. Come on, man.
So we got one side of the carpet cut out. We got all the bolts caught. We're about to tighten them down and then cut the other side of the carpet. This corner and that corner bolted down. We are about to go over there and bolt down those corners and then cut the carpet. And then we should have the seats in. So now the cage is in and the carpet is cut, we are about to start working on cutting those little side panels, I guess you could say.
I just cut myself again.
You don't got a marker?
No. Like, are you dumb? Do you not see that?
You look comfortable back there.
Huh?
You look comfortable back there. Look right at home.
Shut up.
My boy forgot to put in the C-pillars and now he's going through it.
is this?
Open the window. And it's time for the seats to go back in the car. He's struggling. You could hear it. He's breathing too hard. Imagine if it was the stock seat. He wouldn't make it into the car.
No, definitely not. Stock seats are fucking good.
Lift up. For the other corner. So we're gonna put these on at a later date. They need a revision. Shawn says he needs longer bolts. This dude just stalled. We're going on the first test drive since we put the new sound in and see if it makes a difference or not.
You already hear, like, you can barely hear my exhaust. It's just loud as fuck. I don't think my gas pedal's in.
It just sounds like my car, to be honest.
Yeah, it does.
But my car has no sound in it.
But it's way different than before.
I feel like you gotta like go on the highway to really tell. Now you just need some music.
Music is definitely next.
Boy got no radio. Going through it.
Alright, there's the motor's turn.
I'm not even gonna lie, I definitely was not expecting that. That's crazy. Boys out here burning rubber.
I fucking love this, bro. Oh shit. Bro, it's so good now.
Bro.
Once I do the trunk and the door panels, it's gonna be different. It's gonna be so quiet. Yeah. Recommend.
So the only thing we're missing is literally the piece that goes here, but we don't have the clips right now, so that'll be for another day. But the interior is put back together. We also changed the carpet. We didn't even tell you that, but this is a whole different carpet that we got from Kyle. We also got the receipt deletes from Kyle as well. But yeah, this is it. With that being said, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.